Mr. Moo here. You know, you're doing some very complicated math. When I look at it, or at least at first, this is what it looks like to me. Very complicated. Well, I learned some stuff from Mr. Purdy, and now when I look at something like that, it now looks like this to me. And you know what I thought the answer to this was? I thought it was 500 bales of hay. Yum. Oh, I love hay. Well, I learned that was actually incorrect. What I was supposed to be thinking about was factoring the trinomial completely. So, excuse me, I had to push the space bar on the computer to keep it active. So here we go. I tried factoring this trinomial. And I tried this combination. And the inner and outer products did not give me 5b, or minus 5b. Are you following? Are you paying attention? Good. Then I tried this combination. And 20b and 4b still did not give 5b. I moved on to this combination. You may say, wait, Mr. Moo, you weren't systematic. You missed something when you were trying the 4b and the 2b. You didn't try everything possible for the last two terms. Well, we'll get back to that later. So I tried this combination, and 2b and 40b did not give me 5b. Then I tried this combination, and 2b, 5b, and 16b did not give me 5b. I was getting sad. Well, then I thought of what you thought about earlier. I had missed a combination when using 4b and 2b as the first terms of the binomials. So I tried 2 and 5. That didn't work. Then I tried switching the 5 and 2. And that didn't work. Cows don't get anxious much, except if they don't get their hay. But I was getting anxious because this mathematics was not working out. I preferred the answer 500 bales of hay to this. Well, then I analyzed it. Now this is something new for you. I learned this, so you can too. If a cow can learn this, you can too. I took the A number, 8, and the C number, 10. We'll learn more about that later, but whatever. I took the coefficient of the b squared times the number 10, and I got 80. 8 times 10, you say? You don't know 8 times 10? Oh, you do. Okay, well, 80. And then I thought about all the possible combinations of factors that multiply to give 80. Oh, pretty smart, huh? For a cow. And I looked at those, trying to see if any one of those would add or subtract to 5, the coefficient of the b term. And you can look at that, and there is no combination. Oh, what is a cow to do? Well, go eat hay, of course, but couldn't do that yet. None of these add or subtract to 5. So it must be prime. It's prime. I learned it's prime. Now, that does not mean prime like in prime beef. No, it means prime, as in the only way to factor this trinomial is by multiplying it by 1. Just like 2 is a prime number, because the only way to factor 2 is 1 times 2. So, I hope you learned this lesson well. Of the ones you have to do tonight, the evens on the 9-4 practice worksheet, I have worked the only one that's prime. There are no others that are prime. So there. Until later, goodbye.